Hey, welcome to Creative Stuff. Today I am reviewing a Shidu S617.
Test 1, 2.
I've barely got the volume turned up and it's already got some good punch to it. Long story short, you're probably going to want to get your hands on one of these. It's this bad boy right here. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I've reviewed these before. This is a Norwii Mini. It's one of my top recommendations for its small form factor, but it does have some drawbacks. This is the WinBridge WB001. So let's just kind of do a rundown on these different features. So this bad boy sells for like 24 bucks regularly. It's totally worth the 24 bucks. WinBridge sells for like 36. That's overpriced. And this sells for less than 20. The Shidu comes with the headset and the power cable and a lanyard, just like all of them do. This is an interesting one in that it comes with multiple of these. So I guess it's good for reuse if you're gonna share it with friends or something like that. So down to business. I'm running through the basics. We've already covered the prices. Now, power. This is where this one just dominates. It's a 16 watt, 4 ohm. This is a 6 watt, a 2 ohm for the Norwii, and a 5 watt, 2 ohm for the WinBridge. On this one, when it comes to powering it on, what's cool is, so you can just kind of see the basics of this. It has a power thing in the side. It has an analog on-off switch. It has an auxiliary input and a microphone input. And this is a cool little mute button. And we'll get to that in a second. You can take a glance at the board. So it's got a decent board. The battery could be better, but hey, it's all right. It's a fair trade for what you're getting out of this thing. So this one, power-wise, it also is an analog power. And just a reminder, that's what it looks like on the inside. It's definitely our smallest form factor that I've got on the table right now. And this one is the largest board, but it's the only one with some of these options on it. But when it comes to powering it on, you have to push a power button. And if you're in a helmet, this is not your best way of being able to access things. So these two are the winners when it comes to powering on. Microphone input, auxiliary input. Microphone input, auxiliary input. Microphone input only, no auxiliary input. This one also has TF card or micro SD card input and a USB card input, so you can play tracks. These do not have that. I think it's a fair trade-off. Don't worry about that. This just plays things, and it's a great alternative because then you can have a dedicated button and you could tie it into that speaker. This is probably a better way to do business anyway. Okay, so next, let's see. This one is unique in that it has a mute button. So if you've ever had your speaker just screams and blows your eardrums out, then you're struggling to find the power button. On something like this, that sucks because you really got to figure around and hope you're pushing the right button, blah, blah, blah. Typically what I do is I just immediately yank the microphone input. On this one, they graciously thought of that, and you've got a tap to mute your input. But then there's also the benefit in the context of cosplay. If you want to talk to yourself inside your helmet or something like that, whatever, you can do that and mute the mic, and then all is good. So next, the battery. So we saw the battery. The WinBridge is cool in that it's got a flat battery, although it is a 1050. It's the lowest flat cell battery. And when I'm talking about flat batteries, I'm talking about this. This is an 1800 milliamp hour battery. That is our winner when it comes to batteries. And it's also the fact that it's flat is great. This is a 1500 milliamp, not bad, not as good as this one, but it's a fair trade-off for what you're getting out of this. Our last thing is super important, frequency range. So while I love this little design here, and as long as you don't need a booming mic in a large facility, you're good with this for like face-to-face or small group type stuff. But if you need something bigger, then you're better off with this. But the big challenge that this has, it's 200 hertz to 15 kilohertz. And before I continue down that road, let me give you this. And of course, I just wiped off some of my dry erase. So this is our voice frequencies. Male common voice range is around 80, 85 to 180. Now there are additional frequencies that surround your voice when talking, and it can get up to 8 kilohertz. So 165 to 255 for female. We get a little overlap with the male, and the harmonics go up to around 17 kilohertz. And then kids are roughly 250 to 400 hertz. Which one of these serves us best? We want to ideally get the entire depth area, especially if you're looking for Kylo Ren or Darth Vader, or, you know, whatever deep voice thing you're looking for. We know that high pitches are covered. Mid-range is covered. It's the lower end that is not always covered, like in this guy. This here is getting 200 and up. So we do, like I said, we do hit ranges outside of this kind of core value. So it catches your voice, but it's not getting all the quality lows. It still sounds okay if you talk through it, and I'll demo it in a second. This one theoretically gets 90 to 18 kilohertz. So this WinBridge is also a Shidu. So the Shidu is maker. WinBridge is just putting their own brand on it, but it's pretty much the same thing. Although interestingly, they list it as 90 hertz to 18 kilohertz, while Shidu's S308, which this board clearly states it is, specifies that it is 80 to 12 kilohertz. So it's not actually getting the highest end of the female range, but it is getting theoretically the lowest end. I don't see why it would be any different than this because it's got the Shidu board in it. So whatever, this one gets the lowest. The problem is it's only 5 watts and 2 ohms, so you're not getting as much punch. This 16 watt 4 ohm Shidu is 100 hertz, 18 kilohertz. It's a little bit bigger. This is, I want to say, 3¼ inches by 1 inch for this board. This one is a bit smaller. This one's 2½ inches by 1 inch. So we got 3/4 of an inch difference. Now, while it's a barrel battery, you could actually fit this in most masks. I just prefer this aesthetically, but the fact is this has the punch of 16 watts, and it's got your frequency range. Does it have Bluetooth on there? It looks like it has antenna on there. It does. It does have Bluetooth. Look at that. So you can do Bluetooth as well. All right, that's an additional feature. Okay, now let's demo it. So I'll just do a quick test of each.
Test 1, 2.
I've barely got the volume turned up, and it's already got some good punch to it.
Test 1, 2. Wow, that's really...
This thing gets loud, obviously. I'm probably too close to it.
Test 1, 2. Okay, so if it started squealing, then I could just push this.
And now it's muted.
Turn it back on.
Man, that's got some punch to it. That's great. Now I'll hear this in comparison, and this will sound fine standing nearby it.
Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. If you only knew the power of the dark side.
So it might be viable depending on your use case, but if you really want lower bass, you're better off here, or theoretically this. I thought this actually had pretty good sound for being 5 watt. Oh, wait, that's right. I gutted the board out of it. Whatever. Anyway, it sounds decent. I guess it's kind of on par with this. It may have a little more kick, even though it's slightly lower wattage, but the speaker inside is bigger, but whatever. This is a great option. I think both of these are great for different reasons. The Shidu, it's got more bulk comparison-wise. If you're going to wear it on your belt and you don't need those super low frequencies, then this is an outstanding option. I love how low profile this is, and I even like this because this clip isn't going to break. But this, if you're gutting it, you're going to get a lot better use out of this, and a lot more power, more versatile, and the mute button's nice. And of course you got the Bluetooth too. So long story short, you can choose between either one of these two, between this Norwii and this Shidu. This you're going to get better quality out of. Unless you need that much smaller, get this Shidu. If it helped you out, give a thumbs up. Leave me your comments. Feel free to subscribe. Take care. I'm out.